Monday morning mailbag. Vikings mourn Khyree Jackson's tragic passing. The Minnesota Vikings community is in mourning following the tragic passing of Khyree Jackson, a promising young cornerback whose life was cut short far too soon. Jackson, just 23 years old, was involved in a fatal car accident over the weekend, leaving his teammates, coaches, and fans reeling from the sudden loss. Jackson, a seventh-round draft pick in 2022 from the University of Texas, had shown tremendous potential during his brief time with the Vikings. Known for his athleticism, speed, and dedication on the field, he was seen as a rising star in the team's defensive lineup. His teammates and coaches spoke highly of his work ethic and positive attitude, making his untimely death all the more difficult for the Vikings organization to bear. In the wake of the tragic news, tributes poured in from across the NFL community. Teammates remembered Jackson not only for his skills on the field, but also for his infectious smile and camaraderie in the locker room. Head coach Mike Zimmer, visibly shaken during a press conference, described Jackson as a bright light and expressed deep sorrow over his passing. Fans, too, took to social media to express their condolences and share memories of Jackson's brief but impactful career. Many recalled his standout performances during training camp and preseason games, where he showcased his ability to cover receivers and make crucial plays in critical moments. The Vikings organization has announced plans to honor Jackson's memory in the upcoming season. A moment of silence will be observed before their first home game, with players wearing a commemorative patch on their uniforms throughout the year. Additionally, the team is coordinating efforts to support Jackson's family during this difficult time, emphasizing their commitment to standing by their players both on and off the field. Jackson's tragic passing serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of cherishing every moment. For his teammates and coaches, it is a loss that goes beyond football. It is the loss of a beloved friend and teammate whose presence brightened every room he entered. As they grapple with grief and disbelief, the Vikings are leaning on each other for support, finding solace in their shared memories of Jackson's passion for the game and his infectious enthusiasm. In times of such profound loss, the NFL community often rallies around those affected, offering support and comfort in various forms. Messages of sympathy and solidarity have flooded in from rival teams, demonstrating the unity that exists among players and fans alike in times of tragedy. Moving forward, the Vikings face the challenge of continuing their season with heavy hearts. While the game of football demands focus and determination, the emotional toll of losing a teammate cannot be overstated. Players and coaches alike will need to find ways to honor Jackson's memory while maintaining their competitive edge on the field. Beyond the sport, Jackson's passing prompts reflection on broader issues of safety and responsibility, particularly concerning road accidents. As details emerge about the circumstances surrounding the accident, there is a renewed call for vigilance and caution among drivers everywhere. As the Minnesota Vikings mourn the loss of Khyree Jackson, they do so with heavy hearts but also with the determination to carry his memory forward. In a season that promises challenges both on and off the field, they will draw strength from their shared bonds and the enduring legacy of their fallen teammate.